After an upstate woman was charged with staging a car crash to claim insurance money, we decided to take a closer look at South Carolina's fraudulent auto claims.
Right now, the Attorney General's office says the Palmetto State ranks 7th in the country for staged wrecks. 7 News reporter Stephanie Borman explains fraud is not a victimless crime.
To fight fraud, the Attorney General hired 2 additional full-time SLED agents dedicated to investigating insurance fraud. In 2016 alone, they looked at more than 1,900 complaints and found that more than half of those were fraudulent auto insurance claims. State agents say Tracy Michelle Witten from Anderson County staged a car crash for a payout of $6,000. Now she's facing up to 5 years behind bars and fines for making the false claim.
I always jokingly say, the most honest people in the world lie about insurance.
Insurance agent Blair Mathis tells 7 News it's not just organized crashes that people are faking to cash in. Oftentimes it's something as small as exaggerating the damage to their vehicle or injuries sustained.
Occasionally somebody will come in here and say, we'll be doing an application, ask them how many violations they've had in the last 5 years, and they'll say none. And then we run the reports, and so this report shows you have 3. Oh, I didn't know you were talking about speeding tickets.
Insurance fraud seems like a quick payout for criminals. Some go as far as packing cars with extra passengers, including children, to maximize claims. Mathis believes it's because big insurance companies find it cheaper to pay alleged victims than taking cases to court, and that's driving up the cost of policies.
The average family pays probably an extra $1,000 a year in insurance costs and premiums just because of the fraud.
Captain Timothy Suber says his patrol officers are trained to gather evidence during a collision.
And what we really try to do is get independent witnesses to come forward to kind of tell us what they observed or heard.
The Spartanburg police captain tells 7 News the people staging these wrecks are wasting taxpayer money and misusing public resources when committing these criminal acts. But more than that, they're endangering the lives of other drivers on the road. So the Attorney General was able to close 29 fraud cases in 2016, totaling a little more than around $88,000 in restitution.
29 fraud cases. That's a very small number based on the number you gave us at the beginning. I mean, you're talking 3 a day perhaps might be happening. Why are they getting to so few of them?
It's just taken a long time because the Fraud Bureau in South Carolina is so underfunded, so there's only 4 agents in the entire state that are taking the time to look at these cases. So I mean, 4 people tackling thousands of cases a year, we need more people.
So many hours in the day, right?
Absolutely.
All right, Stephanie, thank you.
Thank you.